Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZaf channel. If you're in the market for a stylish retro modern motorcycle that won't break the bank, the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 might just be your new favorite ride. With its minimalist design, thumping engine, and approachable performance, the Hunter 350 continues to punch above its weight in the urban cruiser category. And here's the kicker, it still retains that classic Enfield charm that's hard to find in today's motorcycle scene. Under the hood, or should we say, under the tank, you're looking at a 349 cubic centimeters, air oil cooled, single-cylinder engine that puts out around 20 horsepower and 20 ft-lbs of torque. Sure, it's not going to win any races, but that's not the point. This bike is built for smooth city rides, relaxed weekend cruises, and looking cool while doing both. The thump of the engine is satisfying, and Royal Enfield has clearly worked on refining the vibrations at higher speeds compared to previous models. The styling is where the Hunter 350 really shines. It's compact, lightweight, and beautifully balanced. With a retro-inspired design, clean lines, and a sleek fuel tank, this bike turns heads without trying too hard. The 2025 model gets updated graphics, a slightly tweaked seat for better comfort, and new color options including a bold matte black and a stunning teal blue that screams personality. Riding this bike feels like a throwback, in a good way. It's light and flickable in traffic, with a low seat height that's friendly to newer riders and city commuters. The handling is nimble, the brakes are solid with dual-channel ABS, and the digital analog dash gives you the essentials without overwhelming you with tech. If you're tired of overcomplicated bikes, this one feels refreshingly simple. Fuel economy is another big win here. With an estimated 80 miles per gallon, or around 34 kilometers per liter, the Hunter 350 is as easy on your wallet as it is on the eyes. It's the kind of bike you could ride all week and fill up only once, a rare perk in today's world of rising gas prices. Now, let's talk price. In the US market, the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 starts at around $4,499 US. Yes, you heard that right. For under $5,000, you get a brand new motorcycle with timeless design, reliable build quality, and a global fan base. That's a pretty compelling deal whether you're a beginner, a city commuter, or just someone looking to add a fun second bike to the garage. Overall, the 2025 Hunter 350 isn't trying to be the fastest or the most advanced bike out there, and that's exactly why it works. It's stylish, affordable, and full of character. If you love bikes that keep things simple and soulful, this one's worth a serious look. Don't be surprised if it steals your heart, one thump at a time.